If you've been thinking about simplifying your business finances, QuickBooks Online is still one of the easiest and most powerful ways to do it. Today, I'll walk you through a quick step-by-step guide on exactly how to purchase QuickBooks Online, even if you've never used accounting software before. By the end of this video, you'll be fully set up and ready to manage your entire business from one clean dashboard. Let's get started. First, open any web browser and head over to the official QuickBooks Online website. Take a moment to look around. The homepage highlights everything QuickBooks is built for: tracking expenses, sending invoices, running payroll, generating reports, and organizing your finances from a single cloud-based dashboard. Once you're ready, click the Sign In button at the top right. Enter your email and password and make sure everything is typed correctly to avoid login issues. Hit Sign In and you'll be taken straight to your main dashboard. Now, to actually purchase QuickBooks Online, locate the Subscribe Now button at the top of the page. This is where QuickBooks lays out all the available pricing plans. You'll see options tailored for freelancers, small businesses, and growing teams. Take a minute to compare what each plan includes. Things like advanced reporting, inventory tracking, multi-user access, or payroll add-ons. Choose the plan that best matches your needs and your budget. After selecting a plan, you'll be taken to the billing page. Here, enter your payment details carefully. Double-check your cardholder name, card number, expiration date, billing address, and security code. A small typo can prevent the transaction from going through, so accuracy here is important. Once everything looks good, click Subscribe. QuickBooks will process your payment, and within a few seconds, you'll see a confirmation screen letting you know that your subscription is active. Congratulations! Your QuickBooks Online account is officially ready. Before you dive in, QuickBooks offers helpful built-in tutorials that guide you through setting up expense tracking, creating your first invoice, syncing your bank accounts, and even running payroll. Spend a few minutes exploring these tools so you can get the most out of your subscription right away. And that's it. Purchasing QuickBooks Online is simple, fast, and designed for all skill levels. If this guide helped you get started, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and drop a comment if you want a full setup walkthrough next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.